welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name's Valerie, and thank you guys so much for stopping by and spending some time with me today. So guys, today we are doing a Sassy Girl Aroma haul. It's not a super big haul. I just wanted to get one scent actually, but I didn't want to pay shipping for just, you know, a couple brittles. So I went in and I got a little bit more. It kind of went different this time, all right? So, Sassy Girl Aroma, here's her card. All right, Julie, I don't know how to say her last name. It is, hang on, let me find my glasses here. It is spelt, it's Tyrell and Julie, Gebczzyk. They're the owners and founders, and they are located in Toma, Wisconsin. And there is all their information. I'm going to put it right there. I don't know whether it's clear or not for you guys, but there you have it. The back of it says, be sassy, but always be humble and kind, which I really do like that. So I got a business card. Got a sample, guys. So the sample is called April Fools. It doesn't have scent notes on it, but it's a pretty pink, light pink wax. And this smells just like the original Downy. It's not overwhelming. It's just nice. I really like this. And I'm not one for laundry scents, but this is pretty. This is just like the normal original Downy. That's what I get from that one. Okay, guys, so let's get into this. I have got 1, 2, 3, 5 brittles. I got two of them are the same scent. So let's get into it. So the first one that I ordered was Miami Rainstorm. And isn't this a pretty brittle? Her brittles are so beautiful. They really are. Here's the back of it, like a lime green or pistachio green color. Scent notes, guys, are where are they at? Okay, this one says you can smell the sweet fragrance of palm trees and the earthy aroma of wet dirt, and the air is alive with the sound of thunder and lightning as a cool breeze carries the promise of relief from the heat. That's all it says for the scent notes. Now, the reason I purchased this is because I wanted to smell it and see if it did smell like a rainstorm. And this is Miami Rainstorm. If it smells like a rainstorm or not. And I had never really smelled a wax that smelled like dirt. And I've heard of people talking about the dirt scent, that they really enjoy it. And I'm like, oh, I don't know if I will or not. But I decided I was going to go out on a limb. I'm trying to do different things to expand my horizons with wax. And I decided I'm doing it. So I did. And I smell the dirt. I do. This smells just like, to me, it smells like just after it rains and you go outside and the grass is still really soaking wet. It's got a sweetness to it. But yet you smell that earthy, like, dirt that's wet. Yeah, and you smell like maybe the leaves of the trees that have been blown. This is really, it's actually really nice. So I'm going to wait and use this. I want to warm this when it really has a good downpour going. We're supposed to get some rain later today, but I don't know how much it's going to rain. I want like a good thunder rainstorm before I warm this. I think that's going to be fun. So I really like it on cold. I'm not sure how it's going to, you know, project once I warm it, but I like it on cold. Excuse me, guys. I got a tickle in my throat. This is my third video today, I think. So my throat's kind of giving out a little bit. So I got a throat lozenge in my mouth, but it's not doing it. I keep getting a tickle right here. Sometimes that happens when I talk a lot. I have been talking a lot. So that's Miami Rainstorm. Absolutely beautiful. I didn't tell you, I described the color. The color is like, it's got dark green, like an evergreen, like a emerald green. It's got some like grayish blue through it. Some lime greens in there, like a lime green, pistachio green. It's really pretty. Okay, guys. The next one I got is Purple Cow. Isn't that beautiful? This is a beautiful, the back is like a lilac lavender purple. Front has that lilac lavender purple in it with a dark purple and like a medium purple swirled through it. It's beautiful. I love these brittles. The scent notes on this is grape popsicles with vanilla ice cream. And I really don't have a lot of grape stuff. So I think I got a little bit, but not much. This smells good. I smell the grape, but I smell that like vanilla ice cream in there. I think this is going to be really, really good, especially like a really hot summer day. Oh, I love this. I really like this one. I think it's going to be really, really pretty. So that is Purple Cow. I can't wait to get that warmed. Okay, the next one is Rhubarb Wood Smoke. This was another one that I kind of went out of my comfort zone. This has got like is that gray? Yeah, like a charcoal gray with a medium gray swirled, and there's like a medium lavender purple swirled through this. The back of the bar is a medium gray. Scent notes on Rhubarb Wood Smoke is rhubarb and green violet leaves with the smoky aroma of incense, white birch, and tobacco. Now, I do like tobacco scents. I do like white birch scents. I do like incense. I like smoky scents. And I really do like rhubarb. And violet, I don't have an issue with, but this is a green violet leaf. So I thought, okay, I like a lot of these, so I went ahead and got it. And I thought, well, we'll try it and see what it is. I have smelled it. I've smelled it when it came in, but this has been sitting for like a week or so. So we'll see what I think of it now. This is very, very smoky. To me, it's just very, very smoky. I don't get a whole lot of like a tobacco note. I'm thinking like more of a not like a just like a fresh tobacco, not like a tobacco leaf type scent, not like a smoked tobacco, not like a cigarette tobacco. But it's just very smoky. I don't smell a lot of incense with it. Maybe it might be different when it warms. Let me see let me take it out and see what isn't that pretty? I still just smell a lot of smoke. That's mainly what I'm getting. So, I don't know. I hope it changes on cold because okay, maybe I'm getting a little bit, picking up a little bit of rhubarb in there. Okay, this one, I don't know. I don't know whether I'm going to like this or not. Kind of just sniffing at it, it just smells very smoky. At certain times when I sniff it, it smells like almost like an ashtray. But then there's other times I smell it and it doesn't smell like that. It smells, still smells very smoky, but it smells like there's a little bit more going on with it. So, I don't know. I'm going to try it and warm it and see what happens. So, stay tuned. If you guys want to know what any of these scents are like, after I warm, watch my What I've Been Warming videos because it'll show up there when I do warm these, okay? So this one may be a fail, but I don't know. It's not my favorite, to be honest. And the last two, I've been dying for this. It's Black Hood. Okay, this is actually the dupe for Replicas by the Fireplace. I love that scent. And she also has perfume in that, so I'm really tempted. I think I'm going to have to get that. But this brittle is really pretty. It has got, the back is like a medium gray. And then the front's got some medium gray, some white, and some red and pink swirled through it. It's really, really pretty. Scent notes for Black Hood is chestnut and smoky woodsy accords. Or, I'm sorry, chestnut and smoky woody accords, mixed with sweet notes of vanilla and red berries, floral combination of orange blossom and neroli essence. So there's that. And let's see. I think this is very, very, yes, it is Replicas by the Fireplace. Oh my gosh. That's why I got two of them, because I absolutely love both. I love this scent. I really, really do. I'm going to have to get the perfume. I'm going to have to try our perfume with this too. Absolutely beautiful. So this is definitely, next time this shows, I'm going to get more. So yeah, I got 2 brittles of that. So that's my Sassy Girl Aroma haul, guys. I was just a small one, okay? I do have a bigger one coming in. And that one, I think I got 9 brittles coming. And I don't think I got any loaves. I kind of decided, I think I'm going to stick with just the brittles. I don't think I want to get loaves. I might get some bag of blocks if they're decent. I don't like to cut. I don't like, I'm getting to where I don't want to cut this wax. It's kind of messy. I've been cutting some other vendors' wax, and it's kind of messy. And so I really do like the convenience of the brittles that you just, snap off, what you need, and then the rest goes back in the bag, and it's just more convenient. I'm more apt to grab this to use rather than having to chop a loaf. And I do have several loaves. I think I got 4 loaves from Sassy Girl, and I think I got a couple from some other vendors too. So I'm going to get busy chopping those up. But here on out, unless I absolutely love the scent and I'm willing to chop it up, I may not be getting loaves. So that's just my preference. So yeah, these were, I think, $11.55 a piece. I don't think they got a sale on these. Sometimes she's got sales, sometimes she doesn't. So always check, if you're interested in Sassy Girl Aroma, make sure you join her Facebook group. And I'll put her links down below. She's got Facebook group, she's got her website. But the Facebook group tells you when the next pre-order is, when it's going to open, when it's going to close. They normally start on Fridays after 2 p.m. Central Time. And then normally Sunday, they end at 5 p.m. Central Time. But sometimes they do vary. But also on the Facebook group, it tells you all that. And it also tells you what scents are going to be available in what forms. Like, what scents will be available in the brittles, what scents will be available in the loaves, and so forth. And what perfumes will be available too, because it's ever changing. So it keeps it very interesting. And if there's any discounts or percents off at that point, it'll also tell you on there as well. And you can also normally go on there and request certain scents that you have fallen in love with and haven't seen in a while, or whatever. You can always, make sure you not only request it, but request it in what forms that you would like it in. So that's all I know about Scentsy Girl. She is opening a storefront in Tomah, Wisconsin, I guess in a few months. But I would love to go and check it out, but I probably won't be able to. I live in Indiana, so it's not horribly far away, but I probably won't make it up there. But it would be kind of fun to go up there and check out her store. But that being said, I'm going to get off here. So if you guys are new, make sure you subscribe before you leave. We'd love to have you as part of our family. And it's free. It doesn't cost you anything. I'm not going to ask you to do anything for me other than watch my videos. Watch my videos, enjoy them, and comment and like. And yeah, I guess I'm going to ask you to do a lot, huh? Sorry. But click the notification bell so you're notified of all my new uploaded videos. Because we got so much fun stuff coming up. And you don't want to miss anything. And for those of you who have already done that, I thank you guys so very, very much. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. And I love each and every one of you so much. Give me the like. Give me the thumbs up, give me the like, or give me the thumbs down if you don't like the video. Be honest, be real, because that's the way I am. I'm going to be real with you guys. And also, yeah, watch to the end. And guys, I have been looking through my analytics. So a lot of my people who are watching and viewing my videos are not even subscribed to my channel. So like 60-70% that watch my videos are not subscribed. So you guys subscribe, all right? Subscribe. If you're watching anyway, just click that subscribe button because, like I said, it helps my channel out so very much. And yeah, we're going to do some giveaways here when we hit 1,000 subscribers. So make sure you, and you got to be subscribed to get in on the giveaways, all right? We're going to have some fun stuff coming up. So help me get to 1,000 subscribers and we will have a fun party here, okay? So I'm going to get off here. You guys have a wonderful, wonderful day, and may God bless you all, each and every one of you, okay?